Get ready because the pace of innovation isn't slowing down, it's accelerating. We're diving headfirst into the latest breakthroughs that are set to redefine your digital world. From essential upgrades to groundbreaking partnerships, stay locked in because you're about to get the unmissable updates you need to stay ahead. This is Microsoft Sphere, and we've got the pulse of what's next, right here, right now. First up, we're talking about a serious upgrade for your everyday workflow. Imagine a file explorer that doesn't just manage your files, but elevates the entire experience. We've got the details on a major update that's bringing a sleek, modern design and powerful new features to the forefront. Next, we're shifting gears to a massive governmental partnership that could change everything. Think about the power of AI being harnessed to serve the public on an unprecedented scale. We're breaking down a deal that promises monumental savings and a complete overhaul of how government agencies operate. This is big, and you won't want to miss how technology is stepping up to meet national needs. Then, we're diving deep into the strategic moves shaping the future of cloud technology. A significant expansion is underway, positioning a key player for market leadership in the complex world of cloud migration. We'll explore how these strategic maneuvers are set to impact businesses and users navigating the ever-evolving cloud landscape. And finally, we're circling back to that game-changing government deal, uncovering even more about its impact and the technologies involved. Get ready for a comprehensive look at how these advancements are being implemented. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Microsoft Sphere for all your tech insights, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. A new era for file management arrives. For anyone who spends significant time navigating their digital world, the File Explorer on Windows has always been a fundamental, albeit sometimes uninspiring, tool. While Microsoft has been steadily enhancing its built-in file management system with features like AI-powered actions, a persistent sentiment among users has been that third-party alternatives offer a more robust and visually appealing experience. Enter Files, a popular alternative that has just received a substantial overhaul, version 4, aiming to be the definitive File Explorer replacement for Windows 11. This latest update introduces a suite of powerful new features and a striking Fluent-style redesign, bringing it in line with Microsoft's modern design language. The most immediately noticeable change in Files v4.0 is the refreshed Fluent-style icon, which sports richer colors designed to seamlessly integrate with other Microsoft applications. Beyond aesthetics, the update introduces the Omnibar, a revolutionary element that merges the traditional address bar and search box into a single, intuitive interface. This Omnibar allows users to easily switch between navigation and search modes with simple clicks or keyboard shortcuts, streamlining the process of finding and accessing files. For power users, a command palette mode offers access to advanced commands and actions, further enhancing efficiency. Perhaps one of the most anticipated features is the enhanced dual pane mode. This functionality allows users to view and manage two folders side by side, making it incredibly convenient to drag and drop files between different locations without the need to constantly switch tabs or windows. The developers have focused on numerous enhancements to make this dual pane experience smoother and more intuitive than ever before. To address potential user confusion, the update clearly separates the concepts of filtering and searching. Search functionality now leverages the Windows search index for comprehensive queries across all index locations, ensuring thorough results. Simultaneously, the filter feature allows users to refine items within the currently open folder without relying on the index, maintaining context and providing real-time results. Users can access search via Ctrl+F or the search icon in the Omnibar, while filtering is initiated with Ctrl+Shift+F or a toolbar button. Further enhancing productivity, Files v4.0 introduces several developer-centric features. Users can now remap the OpenIDE command to their preferred coding environment through the settings. Dropping a GitHub URL directly into Files will prompt the user to clone the repository, with progress displayed in the Status Center. The Properties window now includes a Hashes tab with a Compare a File option, enabling quick verification of file hashes against known values or other files. A new Signatures tab in Properties provides visibility into digital signatures, allowing users to easily verify a file's authenticity. User interface refinements are also a key part of this update. The columns view now automatically adjusts column widths to fit file names, with the ability to manually resize dividers or double-click them to snap to optimal width. The Action Settings page has been redesigned to adapt to smaller window sizes and includes a search box for quickly filtering commands. Users can now choose between binary units, MB, or decimal units, MB, for file size display in the settings. Additionally, keyboard shortcuts have been added for opening log files and folders. The app also expands its global reach with new language support for Armenian, thanks to dedicated community contributions. The update has generated considerable buzz within the Windows user community, with many praising the enhanced dual pane mode and the integrated Omnibar as significant improvements over the native File Explorer. Analysts note that this level of polish and feature set from a third-party app highlights the ongoing demand for more advanced file management solutions on Windows. But is this the only major development shaking up the tech landscape this week? Get ready, because we're about to unveil a massive government initiative powered by cutting-edge AI. AI for the People, a $3 billion government tech revolution. In a move that could fundamentally alter how government agencies operate and serve citizens, Microsoft has inked a landmark agreement with the U.S. General Services Administration, GSA. This deal is not just about providing cloud services. It's a strategic rollout of artificial intelligence tools designed to boost efficiency, enhance security, and, perhaps most impressively, deliver staggering cost savings. The partnership promises to bring advanced AI capabilities, including Microsoft 365 Copilot, to federal agencies, potentially saving taxpayers over $3 billion in the first year alone. The core of this agreement lies in providing U.S. government agencies with access to Microsoft's cutting-edge cloud services and AI tools at significantly reduced costs, or even at no charge for certain services. Specifically, Microsoft 365 Copilot, the AI-powered assistant designed to enhance productivity across applications like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, will be available at no cost to federal agencies for up to 12 months. This initiative is a critical component of the U.S. government's broader strategy to embrace AI, aligning with the President's AI Action Plan. The GSA, acting as the facilitator, is leveraging its vast purchasing power to secure these favorable terms for all federal entities, creating a centralized and cost-effective approach to AI adoption. Beyond Copilot, the agreement extends substantial discounts across a range of Microsoft's enterprise solutions. Federal agencies will benefit from reduced pricing on Microsoft 365 subscriptions, Azure Cloud Services, Dynamics 365 for customer relationship management, and vital cybersecurity and monitoring tools. A particularly significant benefit for agencies utilizing Azure is the waiver of data egress fees, charges typically incurred when transferring data out of cloud data centers. This move is expected to encourage greater adoption of Azure services by removing a common cost barrier. The discounted pricing and waived fees are available for up to 3 years, offering agencies long-term financial predictability as they integrate these technologies. Microsoft Chairman and CEO Satya Nadella highlighted the significance of the partnership, stating, "For more than 4 decades, Microsoft has partnered with the U.S. government to serve the American people. With this new agreement with the U.S. General Services Administration, including a no-cost Microsoft 365 Copilot offer, we will help federal agencies use AI and digital technologies to improve citizen services, strengthen security, and save taxpayers more than $3 billion in the first year alone." He further emphasized this on X, formerly Twitter, noting the goal is to empower public servants with the tools they need to deliver on their missions more effectively and securely. This initiative is seen as a pivotal moment for AI adoption within the public sector. GSA Deputy Administrator Stephen Ahikian praised the deal, calling it a key priority of the Trump administration and urging federal partners to leverage these agreements, providing government workers with transformative AI tools that streamline operations, cut costs, and enhance results. Federal Acquisition Service Commissioner Josh Grunbaum described it as a paradigm shift in federal procurement, underscoring the collaborative effort to modernize government IT infrastructure and enhance the digital ecosystem. The agreement provides federal agencies with a window of opportunity to opt into these offers through September 2026, allowing ample time for assessment and strategic implementation. This proactive approach ensures that agencies can thoughtfully integrate AI into their operations, maximizing the benefits while managing the transition effectively. The sheer scale of the potential savings and the strategic deployment of AI tools signal a significant acceleration in the government's digital transformation journey. This groundbreaking government deal is certainly making waves, but the tech world never sleeps. Now, let's pivot to a strategic player making major moves in the essential field of cloud migration. RiverMeadow's strategic gambit, dominating the cloud migration frontier. In the dynamic and ever-expanding landscape of cloud computing, strategic positioning and ecosystem integration are paramount for market leadership. RiverMeadow, a company recognized for its expertise in cloud migration solutions, has announced a significant strategic expansion into Microsoft's cloud ecosystems. This move is poised to have profound implications for the broader cloud migration market, potentially solidifying RiverMeadow's leadership and offering enhanced capabilities to businesses navigating the complexities of cloud adoption. The announcement details RiverMeadow's commitment to deepening its integration with Microsoft's comprehensive suite of cloud services, including Azure. This expansion is not merely about partnership. It signifies a strategic alignment aimed at streamlining the migration process for enterprises seeking to leverage the scalability, flexibility, and innovation offered by the Microsoft Cloud. By enhancing its capabilities within the Microsoft ecosystem, RiverMeadow aims to provide a more seamless, efficient, and cost-effective pathway for organizations looking to transition their applications and data to the cloud. RiverMeadow's core strength lies in its sophisticated migration tools and methodologies, designed to address the intricate challenges associated with moving legacy systems and complex workloads to modern cloud environments. Their platform typically focuses on automating key aspects of the migration lifecycle, from assessment and planning to execution and optimization. By concentrating efforts within the Microsoft Cloud, RiverMeadow can tailor its solutions more precisely, taking full advantage of Azure's specific architecture, services, and management tools. This includes optimizing for services like Azure Migrate, Azure Arc, and various data management and containerization technologies, ensuring that clients achieve not only a successful migration, but also a cloud environment that is performant, secure, and cost-efficient. The implications for the cloud migration market are substantial. As more organizations embrace digital transformation, the demand for reliable and efficient migration services continues to grow. RiverMeadow's intensified focus on the Microsoft ecosystem positions it to capture a larger share of this market, particularly serving businesses that are already heavily invested in or are considering Microsoft technologies. This strategic expansion could set a new benchmark for specialized migration providers, encouraging deeper partnerships and more integrated solutions across major cloud platforms. It also signals a trend where specialized players are honing their expertise within specific hyperscale cloud environments to offer superior value. Furthermore, this move by RiverMeadow is likely to foster innovation in migration strategies. By working closely with Microsoft, RiverMeadow can gain early access to new Azure features and updates, allowing them to develop cutting-edge migration techniques that anticipate future cloud trends. This could include advanced strategies for hybrid and multi-cloud environments, serverless computing migrations, and the adoption of AI and machine learning services within the cloud. The company's enhanced capabilities are expected to benefit a wide range of industries, from finance and healthcare to retail and manufacturing, each with its unique migration requirements and regulatory considerations. Industry analysts view this expansion as a shrewd move by RiverMeadow, capitalizing on the significant market share and continued growth of Microsoft Azure. The ability to offer end-to-end migration services, from initial assessment to post-migration management, all within a tightly integrated Microsoft framework, provides a compelling value proposition. This strategic alignment not only benefits RiverMeadow by strengthening its market position, but also provides its clients with a more predictable and robust migration experience. RiverMeadow's strategic expansion is a significant development in the cloud space, but there's another major tech story capturing headlines. We're now turning our attention back to a monumental government agreement and its impact on AI adoption. Government's AI leap, $3.1 billion savings via Microsoft OneGov deal. The U.S. General Services Administration, GSA, has announced a monumental OneGov agreement with Microsoft, a deal valued at $3.1 billion in projected savings for federal agencies within its first year. This strategic partnership is designed to dramatically accelerate the adoption of artificial intelligence and other critical technologies across the U.S. government, offering substantial discounts on a range of Microsoft services, including Microsoft 365, Copilot, and Azure Cloud Services. Federal Acquisitions Service Commissioner Josh Grunbaum, a recognized leader in government technology procurement, hailed the agreement as a paradigm shift in federal procurement. He emphasized that by consolidating demand across various agencies, the GSA is harnessing the collective purchasing power of the federal government to achieve unprecedented cost savings. GSA is accelerating access to AI for federal agencies and delivering on the President's AI Action Plan, Grunbaum stated, further highlighting Microsoft's commitment to fostering an interoperable digital federal ecosystem. A key component of this agreement is the provision of a U.S. government-exclusive Microsoft 365 plus Copilot suite. Agencies that are G5 customers will receive this advanced AI-powered productivity suite at no cost for the initial year, with additional discounts available for subsequent years. This initiative directly supports the administration's push for wider AI implementation, aiming to enhance operational efficiency, improve decision-making processes, and elevate the quality of citizen services. Beyond Copilot, agencies can also secure reduced pricing for Dynamics 365, Azure Monitoring, Microsoft Sentinel, and Entra ID governance. The agreement also includes provisions for implementation and adoption workshops, ensuring that federal employees are equipped to effectively utilize these new tools. GSA Deputy Administrator Stephen Ahikian underscored the agreement's role in advancing the Trump administration's objectives for AI adoption. We urge our federal partners to leverage these agreements, providing government workers with transformative AI tools that streamline operations, cut costs, and enhance results, he remarked. Chris Barry, Corporate Vice President for U.S. Public Sector Industries at Microsoft, reiterated the company's dedication, stating that Microsoft is committed to being the government's essential partner in providing the tools necessary for federal agencies to harness AI to advance the public good. The agreement is structured to allow agencies flexibility, with options to opt into the various offers available through September 2026. This extended window enables agencies to thoroughly assess their needs and strategically integrate the new technologies into their existing infrastructure. The overarching goal is to modernize government systems, bolster cybersecurity, and ultimately improve the delivery of services to the American people, all while achieving significant financial efficiencies. This large-scale deployment of AI and cloud services represents a major step forward in the government's digital transformation efforts. This massive government deal highlights the transformative power of AI and cloud services. Now, let's quickly recap the biggest stories we covered today and what they mean for you. And that's a wrap on another packed edition of Microsoft Sphere. We saw Files v4.0 bring a stunning Fluent redesign and powerful new features to Windows File Explorer. Then, we uncovered how Microsoft's $3 billion deal with the U.S. government is set to revolutionize AI adoption in public service. We also explored RiverMeadow's strategic expansion into Microsoft cloud ecosystems, positioning them for leadership in cloud migration. Finally, we dove deeper into the GSA's $3.1 billion OneGov agreement, unlocking massive savings and accelerating AI for federal agencies. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Microsoft Sphere for all the latest tech insights, hit that notification bell, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Plus, catch us on all our social platforms for even more updates.